May Poznan Poland, Alanis Morales and Kulenowa. In just a few seconds, each sportswomen are going to race at the 500-meter distance. Ready, set and go! And it was Amy Fisher that got the best start, at least for those few first meters. But Anna Puławska is not going to give up. She is holding her on the verge of losing. Fisher versus Puławska, and also versus Melina Andersson from Sweden and from the first lane. These three are now holding the first three places of this heat. Fisher doesn't seem to be tiring whatsoever. She's still holding strong. She is still keeping her first position. Puławska and Andersson second and third, very nearly second and third. But also Poznanenko on the fourth position. We are now seeing the last few meters of this race. And Fisher is still first. She knows that she's going to be first. And she is confidently strolling towards that finishing line. She doesn't really have to speed up, has to speed up. Especially as the rules state that first to sixth place